Tired of Windows nagging you with the wrong Microsoft account? Let's ditch the digital baggage and swap your Microsoft account in Windows 11. Step by step, this is the most reliable method for changing the primary Microsoft account associated with your profile. First, click the Start button, and then select the Settings icon. It looks like a little gear. In the Settings window, look for Accounts in the left sidebar and give it a click. Now, on the Accounts page, select your info at the top. This section displays the account currently linked to your Windows profile. Scroll down until you see Sign in with a local account. Instead, click on that. You will need to verify your identity. Enter your Microsoft account password when prompted, then click Next. Now you'll create a local account. Enter a username, password, and password hint. Remember this info, then click Next. Confirm that you want to switch to the local account, and click Sign Out and Finish. Windows will log you out. Log in using your newly created local account credentials. Once you're logged in, go back to Settings, then Accounts, and this time, select Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Enter the email address and password for the new Microsoft account you want to use. Follow the on-screen prompts, and you're done. You've successfully switched your Microsoft account.